In this video, we will build our carousel with titles and paragraphs. So, the first thing I want you to think about here is how did we add the content inside the carousel? Well, we have carousel item. You can check out first this carousel. The main difference in the screenshot we have text, but in the link we have image. So, in the carousel link, you can find that we have carousel item, and inside the carousel item we have an image. And instead of the image, we can delete it, and then for inside the carousel item, we can make div with class of row, and then we can make div with class column of 6. And of course, you can make medium, large, small, x large if you want. But for our purpose, we will make just column 6. We don't need container or container flight because the carousel is already responsive. So, let's go and do this part in the source code right here. And our browser, we can make this screen smaller. It will not matter because we have column 6 always. Okay, starting from here. We can create a new section right here. Section. And let's call it car. We don't need to make it carousel because we have the class of carousel when we reach this carousel. The carousel page. Okay, good, this one. And then we're gonna choose with controls. And then we can just take this one, we can make the screen larger so we can copy it. Okay, this one. Copy, go here and paste. Okay, this is really good. And then what we can do after this part, let's check out first what we have inside our live version. When we reload it, we have here the items, but we don't have images. Just the 3 dots here, as you can see. Okay, so now we can make the screen smaller again. Let's delete now this one. And then here we will add row first. And inside the row we will make column of 6. And then for the column 6 we can add a title first. For the title we can make H4. Let's make for title 1. And then we can add paragraph, and inside the paragraph we will add lorem. And then we can just copy this column, copy it, and then we can just paste it again here. But this one will be for the title 2. Okay, this is good. And now what we can just do is to copy this row, okay, and then we can paste it here, and also for the last one. So let's now go to the live version, reload the page. So here we have title 1 and 2. When we click here, it will get me to the next one. So now we do the carousel. The purpose of the carousel is to know that I can add more than images inside it. We can just add margin top of 5 for this section. Margin top of 5. Now we can save, reload the page. So this is good spacing. And this is completely responsive. In the next video, we will add the contact form. This contact form, we got cancel. So this contact form here, we have contact with your name. If you can type contact YEZ, we can type contact like prono or something like that. So here we will add a validation with first, last, username, city, state, and zip file, and always for zip code, and for the checkbox and the submission form. In the next video we will do that. Good luck and have fun.